Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno F14 FS 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your smartphone. So, in case you forgot your password and there is no way that you can remember it, then the best decision would be to contact OPPO customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, for example by showing them a receipt for this device from the store where you bought it, then they will be most likely be able to let you regain access to your phone without removing any data from your device, and they will guide you through further troubleshooting steps. Alternatively, if this option is unavailable for you currently, you can perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone, which will of course erase all data from your device, but still it's a legit way to unlock your phone. So if you want to perform a factory reset remotely, you can use any other device that you have. Just to find this website using your device's search engine and web browser, just search for this website and sign into your Google account that is linked to this smartphone. Find this smartphone on the list of devices, select it, then select settings, then select factory reset, and once your device is fully reset, you'll be able to set it up as a new device. Now, alternatively, if you don't know how to access or if you cannot access the Find Hub service, for example, you can perform a factory reset operation locally using recovery mode on your device. And if you don't know how to manage the recovery mode on the smartphone, we have an entire video on our channel called How to Perform Factory Reset Operation through Recovery Mode on OPPO Reno FS14 FS 5G. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. And now for this video, the last thing I want to mention is that if you do remember your lock screen password, but you still cannot access your device because it just doesn't get accepted on this screen, then what you can do is reboot your device into safe mode in order to safely enter the password. In safe mode, there are no third-party applications that affect the way your lock screen behaves. Therefore, if you enter the correct password there, you'll be able to gain access to your device. So, in order to enter the safe mode, you're gonna have to press the power button and volume up key at the same time, then select restart on your screen and wait until your device is restarted. Now, what we're waiting for is until the OPPO logo appears on the screen, and once the OPPO logo appears on your device's screen, you have to wait for about 3 to 4 seconds before holding down the volume down button, and just keep it held down until your phone slightly vibrates. After that, you can release the button and just wait until your device boots up into the safe mode. Okay, I just felt a vibration, so right now let's wait. And as you can see, once your device is booted, the safe mode indicator appears in the bottom left corner of your screen, which means that right now we can enter the password and get access to the smartphone. After that, in order to unlock your phone completely, go to settings, security and privacy, then select device unlock, screen lock, enter your screen lock once again, or lock screen password, okay. Then select turn off password and enter your password once again to confirm your identity. Okay. At this point, you are free to use your device. All you have to do is restart it by pressing power button, volume up key, and once again, then just select restart and wait until your phone is restarted. Once your phone is restarted, you'll be able to use your device as usual. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.